You can use the library search to find scholarly materials like articles, conference presentations, ebooks, and more. But there's another tool called Publication Finder you can use if you want to look for specific publications like books and journals, or locate a certain book or journal or magazine or streaming video based on criteria like author, title, or subject. There are several methods you can use to refine your searches in Publication Finder. Let's walk through them so you know what they are and how to use them in order to find the publications that you need. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then click the full text journals link below the search bar. Alternatively, you can click Library Catalog and then Publication Finder on the left-hand side. You're now in the Publication Finder interface, which functions much like the normal library search, but with the important limitation that it only searches for books, journals, magazines, and streaming videos. The first way to refine your search is to use the drop-downs on the Publication Finder home screen. The menu on the left lets you specify where you want the system to look for the text that you enter. It defaults to title, but you can also select ISSN, ISBN, author, subject, publisher, or all fields. You can only select one option at a time, which means you can't search in both the title and the subject fields. If you do want to search multiple fields, use the All Fields option. The second menu lets you specify how you want the system to look for the text that you enter. Contains will look for all the words you enter in no particular order. This is a great option for just doing some general searching. Any will look for any of the words you enter. You will get more results this way, but they might not be exactly what you're looking for. Exact Match will look for books and journals and magazines and streaming media that are an exact match for what you type. No more, no less. You'll get fewer results using this method, but they might be more accurate as long as you know exactly what you're searching for. Begins With will look for books and journals and magazines and streaming media that begin with the text that you enter. Proximity finds your search terms if they're within 10 words of one another and in the order that you enter them. Exact Phrase will look for publications that contain the phrase that you type, but may also contain additional words. Advanced lets you use the Boolean operators and, or, and not, or perform wildcard searching using the asterisk symbol. If you choose this option, make sure your Boolean operators are typed in capital letters. Finally, you can use the third drop-down menu to search for journals only, books only, newspapers, or streaming video. The default value is all, but if you're looking for something a bit more specific, you might want to try this menu. Also, the books option does include ebooks, which can usually be read online right in your browser. After you've specified the parameters for your search, type the text you want to search for and press Enter or click the magnifying glass to perform your search. For example, I'm taking a contemporary American cinema class, and our instructor assigned the film Lady Bird. She said it's available through the library, but how do I watch it? Publication Finder can help me. Since I know the title, I can leave the first drop down on title, change the second to Exact Match, and the third to Streaming Video. Now I'll type Lady Bird into the search box, and I see only one result, which is exactly what I need. If I click the Canopy link, I can watch the movie right in my browser through the Canopy streaming video service with access provided by the library. If you try this example from the OSU campus, the video should load for you right away. However, if you're off campus, you might see a login screen first. Just enter your OKey information to verify that you're an OSU student, faculty, or staff member. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.